it is Rue. Today we have a drink request. This is from right here, Juice with Jeff. We are making the Godmother. Are you guys ready to make this drink? Let's go. All right, let's gather our ingredients. Vodka, I have here Kettle One, and Amaretto, I have here de Serrano. 2 items. Okay, it's tool time. Let's go grab them. Ice, a rocks glass, a jigger, and a bar spoon. First step, grab your ice and pour it in the glass all the way to the top here. Grab your bottle of vodka, open it. We will be pouring 1.5 ounces of vodka into the drink. Next, grab your Amaretto, open the bottle. We will be pouring 1/2 ounce into the drink. And the last step is to stir. And there you go, my friends. Godmother. Cheers.
If you want to learn how to make more cocktail drinks from home, subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss an episode. Comment below if there's a drink you would like to see next.